Listen, y'all can have those other love languages. You want to know what my love language is? Food. I love questions like, can I cook for you? Have you eaten? Can I feed you? Can I bring...
Hey foodies, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we'll be making baked beans with thin sausage, so stay tuned. Here I am prepping the veggies such as the onions, tomato, scallion thyme, etc. so that we can go ahead with cooking our meal. Here I'm showing you guys all the veggies that I've prepared. So onion, tomato, scallion thyme, sweet pepper, and garlic and the whole works. Here I'll be adding my oil to the pot so that we can get the meal started, as I said before. And just as simple as that, breakfast is completed. You can pair this with any side of your choice. This is the end result, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.